Couple of random, very important updates. This is our new greenhouse. "20 feet by 40 feet. It's going to be arched just like my office, one side taller with a sloped roof. It's going to be clear rippled paneling all over roof and walls. It's got an absolutely amazing view of my backyard once you're in here. These absolutely massive posts. A 4x8. These are 12 feet tall, and that will be 10 feet tall. Tarp is to kill off stinging nettle, etc. Oh, just got bit by something. That's an apple tree. The deer were eating that, so I got fencing around it. And that's a blueberry bush. Got fencing around that too, because the deer are snacking. That's what's left of the dinosaur log. I gotta walk down there so you can see how big it is. That's how big it is still after 4 massive bonfires. The thing is at least as tall as me, and probably 10 feet wide, maybe 15. Yeah, it's definitely as tall. At least is up to like my chest, of 4 feet high. It's huge. And it's not going anywhere. Every single time we burn it, nothing really happens. This side finally fell off a little bit. It was massive. My neighbor's been helping me out with his John Deere tractor, and I've been ever so grateful, because there's no way you can put a fire like that back up together without a bucket. A big metal bucket to lift it all up. So this is the view of the house and the office from the deep backyard. This is my favorite oak tree that Oslo calls Big Boy. It's got to be at least a 300 to 500-year-old oak. So yeah, it's a blueberry bush. Can't really see the buds through that fencing. Big greenhouse. And I planted 2 new trees as well from the local farm. Have these super cheap. This is about as tall as me, 5.5 feet, 6. This is $40. Colorado blue spruce. Very affordable, Big Boy. Like, this is a very thick stem. And then here's a fir that we might end up relocating, but it was $15, so I said, what the hell? It needs a bunch of stuff. And then to the good part. You could see a bunch of dirt has been moved. I've finally got myself a tractor. I'm gonna call it Old Blue. It's hiding back here underneath this big pine tree. Looks more and more pretty every time I see it. Look at those eyeballs. An old Mitsubishi M372. Wow. An absolute diesel chugging beast. It was so fun to drive it just now. Yeah, I also got this today. A little less exciting, but still fun. Me being a cheapo, I saw this exact same lawnmower at the local store for an extra $60. Paid myself. Thanks everyone for watching. This is again my front yard. That's getting removed. Yeah.